Anong hinahanap mo sa babae o lalaki? What do you look for in a girl or guy? Hanap can be to look for or find. Gumuhit tayo ng bilog. Let's draw a circle. Sa loob, inside, isulat natin. Let's write. Kita niyo ba? My ideal man or woman. Una, first, you wanna be with someone who is free. What's free in Tagalog? I covered it in this video. Free is malaya. The root is laya, which means freedom. And with a prefix ma, it becomes an adjective, right? Therefore, malaya is free. So, una, malaya. Huwag kang magkagusto sa hindi na malaya. Don't fall for someone who is no longer free. Dahil hindi yon magandang simula. Because you're off to a bad start. It's not a good start. Pangalawa, second, you wanna be with someone who is kind. Or someone with a good heart. Ano yung kind sa Tagalog? Casual, we can say mabait. Or has a good heart. What is has, have, there is may. May, what's good? Mabuti. And then it will have the ng because it's an adjective. Heart in Tagalog is puso. May mabuting puso. Someone who's got a good heart. Doesn't matter if he's mabait or she's mabait. If she's no longer malaya, cannot be. Pangatlo, third one. You wanna be with someone who's got a healthy lifestyle. Ayaw natin sa may bisyo, who's got vices, lasinggero, drunkard, alcoholic. Has, so we will still use my healthy lifestyle. Nag-ehersisyo, like that. Or, if you just wanna say someone who is healthy, healthy is malusog. Malusog is only to describe a healthy person, healthy pet, malusog ang aso ko, like that. But if it's healthy food, it has another term. And I covered that on this video. Fourth one, you wanna be with someone who is financially independent. Ayaw natin ng bum. Ayaw natin ng tambay, walang trabaho, walang ginagawa sa buhay. May trabaho, may business, no? Kung hindi employed, katulad ko, hindi ako employed, self-employed, or freelancer. Pero may trabaho. Ano pa kaya? What else? Maybe you want someone who is smart, no? So that when you have your kids, okay yung genes. So, let's add that here. Matalino, smart, intelligent. Or maybe you want someone who's got talent. May talent. Maybe marunong kumanta. Someone who knows how to sing. O marunong sumayaw. Someone who knows how to dance. O marunong tumugtog. Someone who knows how to play a musical instrument. Mag-gitara, mag-piano, mag-drums. Ano pa kaya? What else? Siyempre, of course, none of these matter. Lahat ito walang kwenta kung hindi ka niya gusto. If he or she doesn't like you back. So maybe you should add here yung gusto rin ako. Yung gusto rin ako. Kasi it doesn't matter kung malaya siya, o mabait, o may trabaho, o may talent. Kung hindi ka niya gusto, walang kwenta, no? So, maybe we should add that here. Yung gusto rin ako. Someone who wants me to, who likes me too. We can change gusto to mahal. Yung mahal rin ako, no? Someone who loves me too. Ilan na yan? 7 na yan. Masyado nang marami. Maybe we can add one more to make it 8. Maybe you want someone who is spiritual. Pwede natin i-add yan dito sa pangwalo. Can you read it? Mahal ang Diyos. Loves the Lord. Malaya, mabait o may mabuting puso. May healthy lifestyle. Malusog. May trabaho. Matalino. May talent. Yung gusto rin ako. Or yung mahal din ako. At panghuli, yung mahal ang Diyos. There you have it. Short Tagalog listening practice for today. Hope you've learned new vocabs. Watch out for my next grammar video. I'm gonna be answering some of your questions. Hanggang sa muli. This is Dara, Tutor of Manila. Follow me for more.